Unlocking GenAI for Java DevOps Learning and Onboarding. Welcome to a crucial discussion for every software engineer and IT student navigating the complex world of Java DevOps. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tools, frameworks, and concepts, from Maven to Spring Boot, Docker to Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines to cloud deployments, you're not alone. The learning curve in DevOps, especially when combined with the extensive Java ecosystem, can be incredibly steep. New team members often face an information deluge, struggling to find precise answers or structured guidance amidst a sea of documentation and forum posts. Staying updated with the rapid pace of technology is a constant challenge, demanding significant time and effort. This traditional approach to learning is often inefficient, leading to frustration and slower integration into projects. Imagine a world where this learning barrier is significantly lowered, where personalized, on-demand expertise is just a question away. This is where generative AI steps in, poised to revolutionize how we learn and onboard in Java DevOps. This is precisely where generative AI, or GenAI, emerges as a game changer. Picture having an infinitely patient, incredibly knowledgeable tutor by your side, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. GenAI can transform the learning experience from a daunting search for information into an interactive, engaging dialogue. It's not about merely providing search results, it's about understanding your specific query, synthesizing vast amounts of technical knowledge, and delivering tailored, easy-to-understand explanations. Whether you're grappling with a complex architectural pattern or trying to debug a tricky piece of code, GenAI offers the potential for instant clarity. This personalized approach accelerates comprehension, allowing you to grasp concepts faster, resolve issues more efficiently, and become productive members of a Java DevOps team in record time. GenAI is ready to redefine your learning journey. To demonstrate this transformative potential, we've developed the Java DevOps GenAI Tutor project. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a tangible Spring Boot application designed to simulate how generative AI can act as your personal interactive tutor for Java DevOps. While this specific implementation uses predefined logic and keyword matching to simulate AI responses, it effectively showcases the core capabilities that a real GenAI integration would offer. Our goal with this project is to illustrate how a learning platform, powered by intelligent AI, can personalize education and dramatically accelerate the learning curve for newcomers. It serves as a blueprint, providing a clear vision of the practical ways GenAI can simplify complex topics and make the onboarding process seamless and intuitive. It's about moving from information overload to intelligent guidance. Let's dive into the first powerful feature, the interactive chatbot. Imagine you're a newcomer, trying to wrap your head around continuous integration and continuous delivery. Instead of sifting through countless articles, you simply type, "What is CI/CD in DevOps?" and instantly, the chatbot provides a concise, clear explanation. Or perhaps you're wondering about best practices for Java versions in production. You can ask, "Which Java version should I use for a new Spring Boot project?" and receive an intelligent recommendation. This chatbot acts as your on-demand expert, capable of answering natural language questions across a broad spectrum of Java, DevOps, CI/CD, cloud, and related topics. It's designed to provide insightful, immediate answers, making complex subjects approachable and offering guidance exactly when you need it, eliminating the typical roadblocks in self-learning. Next up is the Code Explanation Engine, a feature that promises to be a lifesaver for anyone grappling with unfamiliar Java code. How many times have you inherited a project or encountered a snippet that left you scratching your head? With this engine, you simply paste your Java code snippet, and the GenAI springs into action. It analyzes the code and provides a detailed explanation of its purpose, functionality, and even suggests best practices. For instance, you could paste a fragment of a Spring Boot REST controller, and the AI would explain annotations like at REST controller and at request mapping, clarifying their roles in building APIs. Or perhaps a Docker file for a Java application. The engine can demystify each command, from to CMD, explaining how it contributes to containerization. This drastically reduces the time spent on deciphering code, allowing you to understand and contribute faster. Onboarding new team members or learning a new tool can be a fragmented and time-consuming process. That's where our onboarding guide generator comes in. Instead of generic documentation, you can request a structured, step-by-step guide tailored to a specific tool or concept within the Java DevOps landscape. For example, if you're a Java developer new to Git, you could ask for Git onboarding for Java developers. The system would then generate a comprehensive guide covering installation, basic commands, branching strategies, and even IDE integration. Similarly, requesting Maven Basics for Java developers would provide an overview of pom.xml, dependency management, and build lifecycles. This feature ensures that newcomers have a clear, guided path to proficiency, accelerating their integration into development workflows and making them productive much quicker. Moving beyond static knowledge bases, the dynamic FAQ system offers a truly interactive experience. Traditional FAQs are limited to predefined questions and answers, often leaving gaps in a user's understanding. Our GenAI-powered system takes this to the next level. It can not only retrieve answers from a curated list of frequently asked questions but also dynamically generate or elaborate on existing ones based on your specific query. For instance, if you ask, "What is Jenkins?" it might retrieve a concise answer from its knowledge base. But if you follow up with, "How does Jenkins integrate with Docker for Java builds?" the system can leverage its simulated AI capabilities to formulate a more nuanced, context-aware response, even if that exact question isn't pre-listed. This adaptability ensures that you always get comprehensive and relevant information, making the FAQ system a truly intelligent learning resource. So, how does this all work behind the scenes? Our Java DevOps GenAI tutor is built as a Spring Boot application, serving as the robust backend. It exposes a set of RESTful APIs that enable all the functionalities we've discussed: chatting, explaining code, generating guides, and managing FAQs. Now, it's important to understand that for this demonstration, the GenAI responses are simulated. This means we've implemented predefined logic and keyword matching within a service layer, conceptually named GenAI Tutor Service, to mimic how a real AI would behave. In a full-fledged, real-world application, this GenAI Tutor Service would instead integrate directly with powerful commercial GenAI models, such as OpenAI's GPT, Google's Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude, via their respective APIs. The front end is a simple HTML/JavaScript interface, allowing you to interact with these back-end APIs, providing a realistic feel of an interactive learning platform. Getting this demonstration up and running is straightforward. First, you'd need the standard Java development prerequisites, Java 17 or higher and Maven 3.6+. Once the project structure is on your system, navigating to its root directory, where the pom.xml file resides, is your next step. From there, a simple Maven command, mvn clean install, will build the Spring Boot application, pulling in all necessary dependencies and packaging it into an executable JR file. After a successful build, you can launch the application directly using mvn Spring Boot run. This command starts the embedded web server, typically Tomcat, on port 8080. Once it's running, you can open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 8080 to access the intuitive web interface. This simple setup allows you to immediately begin interacting with the chatbot, requesting code explanations, and generating onboarding guides, all from your local machine. The Java DevOps GenAI Tutor project, while a simulation, clearly illustrates the immense future potential of GenAI in technical education. Imagine scaling this concept to a real-world application, replacing our simulated responses with actual API calls to commercial GenAI models would unlock far